Hola chicos y bienvenidos a la clase de español con Language Nerd. Me llamo Elena y soy profesora de la lengua española. Today we're going to learn everything that you need to know about the verb tener. We're going to have a look at different meanings that the verb tener can have, as well as idiomatic expressions with the verb tener that are essential for you to know in order to master the Spanish language. So let's start first of all with the meaning of the verb tener. The verb tener in English is translated as the verb to have, and the main thing that this verb is actually expressing is the possession. So if you are possessing something, then you will need to use the verb tener. Por ejemplo, mi amigo Javier tiene un coche deportivo. The second meaning of this verb is also to accommodate. Por ejemplo, durante las Navidades tenemos a mis padres en la casa, which means that we're going to have over my parents for Christmas, so we're going to be accommodating them. Third very common use of the verb tener and the meaning is to express the age. Por ejemplo, mi hermano tiene 16 años. Another meaning of the verb tener is to keep. Por ejemplo, siempre tengo las galletas en una jarra, which means that I always keep the biscuits in a jar. And in our second part of this video, now we're gonna have a look at idiomatic expressions of the verb tener. But before we have a look at them, I would like to remind you that I do have loads of useful learning material for you that you can have a look at on my Etsy shop. You will find different flashcards, different booklets that will help you to master Spanish language and will help you on your learning journey. So do check it out. I will leave the link in the comment box as well as the description box. It's important for you to master these expressions as they convey some of the most common and basic concepts that you need to know in order for you to actually learn the Spanish. And important thing for you to remember is that you are not going to be translating these expressions word by word, because this will have a different meaning of the actual expression of actual idiomatic phrase. Okay, so let's have a look at our first expression. Tengo calor. Hoy hace mucho calor. Tengo mucho calor, which means I'm very hot. The opposite of is tengo frío. Tengo mucho frío. I'm cold or I'm very cold. The third expression is tengo hambre. Me apetece comer algo. Que tengo mucha hambre. I'm hungry. And tengo sed. Tengo mucha sed. I'm very thirsty. Tengo sueño. Tengo mucho sueño. I'm very sleepy. Tengo miedo. Tengo mucho miedo. I'm very frightened. Our next one is tener razón. To be right. Sí, tienes razón. Tenemos que salir más temprano. Next one is tener orgullo, which means to be proud. Por ejemplo, Juan tiene orgullo de ser peruano. Tener suerte means to be lucky. Mira, he encontrado 5 euros en el cielo. Tienes mucha suerte. Tener en cuenta, to keep in mind. Debes de tener en cuenta que ya es muy tarde. Tener ganas de, to really want something. Por ejemplo, tengo muchas ganas de ir de vacaciones a México. Next one is tener lugar, which means to take place. El mercado tiene lugar cada martes. Tener vergüenza means to feel guilty or to feel shame. No tienes vergüenza. No tienes vergüenza. Tener éxito, to be successful. Nuestra canción tuvo mucho éxito. And that's it for today. I hope you learned loads of different expressions and meanings with the verb tener. Leave me in the comment box which one was your favorite, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video, as well as to check my learning resources on the Etsy shop that I'm going to leave the link below in the description box as well as in the comments. And see you in my next one. Hasta luego!